Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about the classification of market. Market is classified in many ways. However, here we will study about market based on location, based on quantity as well as market based on competition. First of all, talking about markets based on location. Location over here means the geographical location where they are situated. First one in that is local market. So, as the name itself suggests, a local market means a market where products and services are produced and sold at the same place. That means these markets are limited to a respective city or a village. Say, for example, market for clay utensils. Second one is regional market. So, when the selling of products and services is limited to a region over here means a state, then it is called a regional market. That means the various markets in a state come under this category of regional market. Say, for example, markets in Ahmedabad and Vadodara. Also, say, for example, Ghari of Surat, or regional films or regional books. Why? Because if we take example of regional films as well as regional books, so in our state of Gujarat, generally people are fond of watching regional movies, Gujarati movies, or fond of reading regional books, that is Gujarati books. So its market is limited mainly in the state of Gujarat itself. Next one is national market. So when the products and services are purchased and sold throughout the country, then this market is said to be national market. Say, for example, dairy products, Hindi novels, because Hindi books are read throughout the country. Next one is international market. It is also said to be global market, and this is extended to various countries of the world. That means here purchase and sale is done even outside the borders of the country, and purchase sale over here is referred to as import and export. Say, for example, mobile phones, English novels, etc. Next one is market based on quantity. So, mainly as per quantity, market is classified into two types. First one is wholesale market. Wholesale means when the sale and purchase of item is done on a large scale. A wholesaler buys goods from the producer in large quantity and then it sells it to the retail trader. Therefore, a wholesale trader becomes an important link between the buyers and the producers. Say, for example, wholesale grain market. Next one is retail market. Here the purchase and sale is done in a small quantity. Retail trader buys goods from a wholesaler and then sells it to a customer on a small scale as per their requirement. After this, now next one is markets based on competition. So as you can see in the chart itself, market based on competition is mainly classified as a perfect competition market and imperfect competition market. Further, in an imperfect competition market, market can be classified as monopoly, monopolistic competition as well as oligopoly. Thank you, students.